Hi Western Canada. This video is for the Pick 3 pair method. Just to clarify, this is not for your Pick 2. And if you are in a section of Canada that uses the Ontario site, this is not the video for you. This is only for Western Canada. If you are towards Ontario, then I do have another video. For Ontario, you just go to my playlist to find that. Okay, so Western Canada, basically what the Pick 3 pair method is you're just going to go back for about a month to test the theory out. And essentially what I'm looking for is to see what day is bringing in the 2 digits or the pairs. So for Western Canada, you seem to like Fridays for this method. This method is good for 7 days. And then for Western Canada, there's no pair play offered, but I wanted to make a video to kind of show you the method that I use. And then hopefully that can help you choose your 3 digits. So in this next section, I'm just going to show you kind of the back testing method that I do. And then at the very end, I'll give you some potential pairs I think may hit in the next 7 days. And then one more thing, if you cannot see this video very well or the page very well, then make sure you pull up your own site to follow along. So on August 17th, on Friday, you had 537 hit. And the pairs you're looking for either a 5-3, a 3-7, a 5-7, a 7-5, a 3-5, or a 7-3. In this week, you had a 5-6-7 hit on August 20th. So you had a 5x7 split. And you also had a 7x5 split on August 21st with 715. And then you're going to do the same thing. So you go to the next week, and on August 24th, you had 983 fall. And then that brought in 8x3 on August 27th with 823. And it's not really relevant for this week, but I want you to pay attention to that 780 because I'm going to cover that later on in the video. So pay attention to that, 780 on August 29th. And then I'm going to show you a couple more examples. Okay, so on Friday, August 31st, you had 491 fall. So you're looking for either a 4-9 pair, a 9-1 pair, a 4-1 pair, a 1-4 pair, a 9-4 pair, or a 1-9 pair. So in this week, you had a 1-4 back pair on September 4th with 2-1-4. And then the same thing, so the next week, on September 7th, you had 2-6-4 fall. So you're looking for 2-6, 6-4, 2-4, 4-2, 6-2, or 4-6. So in this week, you had a 6x2 split and a 6-2 back pair on September 12th with 6-6-2. And then based on all of that, the potential pairs in the next 7 days will probably come from that 708 that fell today. So it might show up like 0x7 split, a 0-7 back pair, an 8-7 back pair, a 0x8 split, an 8x7 split, or a 7x8 split. So, and it may show up in a way I'm not thinking of. So it might show up like a 7-0 back pair, a 7-0 front pair, a 0-7 front pair, a 7-8 back pair, and then, so on and so on. And you would just apply that to the rest of those numbers there. The thing I do want to focus on a little bit, so this doesn't happen very often, but every now and then with this type of method, you find a number that kind of shows up more than the others. So with you guys, you had 708. I don't know if you noticed this or not, but you also had 708. It also fell on September 13th, so yesterday. So I didn't go back more than a month to test this number out, but I would recommend going back at least a year and finding when 708 did fall and seeing about how many times it falls. Does it fall 3 times, 4 times, 5 times in a very short period of time? So it's just something I found interesting, so I would definitely check that out. And then Western Canada, that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.